snowstorm in Franklin, Tennessee. This is Karoline Mayer, March 7th, 2008. Hello, I am Emily Mayer with the news. Today, parents think that Sesame Street is for adults because Cookie Monster is eating more cookies and giving kids chances to getting diabetes. Now, Barney is also arrested because he shot the ice cream man in one of his TV shows. Today is going to be a windy winter day. Karoline, take us away with the weather.
We are live in 603 Rutherford Lane, 8:30 p.m. Will this snowstorm ever end? You could see it is partly cloudy with a sudden snowstorm, exactly like Emily said. Now, today, you could barely see the sidewalk. Everybody look at that trail right there. All you can see is the track line. Back to you, Emily.
Thank you, Karoline. And now we are back with the news. Now, the presidential election is coming on in a few minutes, and it says on the internet that Barack Obama is one of the best ones so far. Thank you. I'm Emily Mayer.
Get the report tomorrow on Saturday, March 8th, 2008. Thank you. And that was Karoline Mayer, live.
Well, that's
just stick them in my pocket. They're cold.
Deep in the woods, we found a rusted old Chevy. We used the hood to go sledding in the snow. Lightning fast, super heavy, and big enough for us kids to pile in and go. We didn't have a dime to our names, but we had the good times just the same. Never got bored, never got busted, never lost faith in God we trusted. That's just the way it was way back when.
You feel okay? You having a good time? This is great, huh? Have you ever done this before? I don't think you've ever done sleigh riding before.
I worked 2 jobs to get you that ring. A lot of sweat for something so small. But little things mean everything. They don't take much to have it all. You and me and the money were tight, but we thank Jesus we were doing alright. Never got bored, never went busted, never lost faith in God we trusted. That's just the way it was way back when.
You gotta go up to the top, sweetie.
Potato stew, 2 on a muffin. Making new.
No, there you go. Wait, up above it. Up a little higher.
There wasn't nothing.
You ready? One, don't hit anybody. Push up real good and lean forward.
Now the more I
Ready?
make,
Lean
the
forward.
more I want, and the more I have.
That's
to
right forward.
lose. But sometimes I can't help but wanna walk a mile in my old shoes. We never got bored, we never went busted, never lost faith in God we trusted. I love the way it was way back when. Potatoes too. Wasn't nothing something? Wasn't nothing something? Wasn't nothing something?